Hello all, hope you're all safe in this lockdown time. And today I came with the best and important courses which fascinates you and helps you a lot in future career. So this is the video continuation to the previous one, online courses. As many of us are just thinking about to learn the courses in this lockdown period, but really just thinking because most of the people may not know about the sites courses which gives free access, but here I am very excited to share for you all people to get the best and to learn many new things, and no doubt I will come up with many more fascinating things. Kindly utilize your time you are having now so to improve your skills and to build a career giving a tough competition to many others in this world. So please don't miss this opportunity and it won't come to you again. I'll share the maximum number of courses and much more which are for free to help you all in building a strong career. And the only thing you have to do for us is to like our video, subscribe to our channel, share to your maximum friends because you may not get this best opportunity again ever. And watch to the video till it ends. I'm saying you may not get this best opportunity to learn many new. So today I wanted to introduce the Udemy courses. It's an amazing platform where you can learn and teach various educational courses online. Millions of students get the opportunity to connect with the experts and the teachings of different fields sitting at home. We can find more than 57 instructors teaching almost 150k courses, and it's pretty safe website and provides many benefits on giving free access online courses sometimes, and you will be certified once you complete your course. Udemy is one of the effective for learnings and offers a wide variety of different courses. So the only thing is we have to check frequently if you really need it for free. Nearly 30 million students are getting the access worldwide, and mostly 42,000 instructors are there for free access learning. I too took many courses from Udemy, and of course I strive for accessing them free and got certifications too. Here the courses are lifetime that I can access anywhere at any time. So, and many people can think how this Udemy helps. Yes, most of the people may be rejected of some simple unknown courses and with less strong resume standard. Do you really wanted to sit in that place? Question yourself. Even we have many, but why won't we use them? Basically, people really don't care about the resume and many things. But once we are rejected, then we try to make it worthy. What if we don't have time then? So get access now of these courses and make your resume very strong, and it will help a lot too. And also we may present some skills in front of HRs and many others. So this is the basic information I shared now, and actually we have plenty useful making things in this Udemy. So now I will share the 4 best and worthy courses which we get presently free to access them. And the first one we have here is Java programming for complete stranger. Here we can learn Java programming with lot of examples, and this is for beginners I think. And also what I want to say here is it is really worthy making, because actually the price is 12,800 and it is 100% off now. As you can see there, 100% off. So, and also here we can see that the content, the course content, what we can learn, everything is clearly mentioned here. So why do we need to choose this course? Java introduction and everything is, the content modules are there here. We can see all the things. So what we have to do is we just simply go to the option enroll now, and we can see also the course includes 10 hours and full-time access on mobile and TV, and we'll get certifications too. So below we can see the enter coupon. So we have to copy that and paste into the box, apply for it, and then enroll now. Second one we can see here is Revit structure with practical implementation. So the caption is here, grow your career in BIM structure, explained with the English language only, with also English subtitles. So for civil engineering students it is the most useful course, I think. Yes, here already 347 students had enrolled, and instead of paying 1600 rupees it is 100% off now. We can also see what you learn. So Revit structure, software knowledge, and also direct implementation in structural BIM projects. So and everything is mentioned here clearly, description, requirements, and course content too. Don't miss this chance. We can also see this who this course is for: civil engineering background, contractors, beginner at structural BIM industry, learner of Revit software, structural engineers or designers, job seekers in BIM industry. We can see here all. So and what we have to do is, and also here mentioned is introduction. So what is BIM and Revit structure, Revit interface and overview, everything, and modules wise. So next one is overview of the interview, function of properties and bar, project browser, view cube and navigator bar. So Revit tools and everything is mentioned clearly. And do enroll now. So the course includes 9 hours demand video, so full-time access as usual, we have seen previously. So access to mobile, everything is a certification of completion. So and here the specified coupon number is different, so apply for it and enroll now. That's it. And the third one we can see here is Microsoft Excel. So it is basic Excel and advanced Excel formulas. So we can learn more than 80 plus Excel function, Excel formulas, Excel tips for Excel 2007 to Excel 2019 with Excel examples. And it is very helpful for every individual to gain something about Excel knowledge. And 133 ratings, 19,425 students are already enrolled. Instead of paying 5,120 rupees, it is 100% off now and is only 10 hours left. So 4.5 hours on demanded video, full-time access, we can see in mobile, certification after completion. So everything is mentioned likewise. So what we can see here is requirements, learning part, everything we can see. And for every course we have the clear explanation in this. So be able to work with different Excel functions, get lifetime access, exactly. So requirements, description, everything is there here. So same that everything mentioned. Yes, we can see. So we have to enroll it now. So copy the coupon and apply for it and enroll. Just simple thing we have to do. So and the last one is, we can see here that create your very first website, WordPress for beginners. And also here we can see that it is a beginner's guide to building a basic website. No programming or no previous experience is required. So instead of paying 6,400 rupees, it is 100% off now. Only 11 hours left, so we may not see after the completion of this time, and also we cannot see once they have not allowed us. So the article is of 1 hour, so the course is of 1 hour and 3 articles, 1 downloadable resources, and full-time access, same certification after completion. Here what we have to do is, for every course we have to apply the coupon for sure, because we have to get the certification, right? So if you get that coupon below, you must apply for it. So and enroll now, your course will be completed. Finally, these 4 courses are here for you. Hurry up and go to the description and click on the links to get free access and make use of them in this crucial time. Cause once you miss this opportunity, you won't get it back, right? So if you like this video, put a like again for us, subscribe to our channel, share to your maximum friends, and comment for us for every clarification.